G'day, I'm Peter. Today we're going to pull the roof mount monitor out of a Prado altitude. The tools you'll need is a 10mm socket and a spudger. The clips in here are very strong, so some may bend on the way through. You've actually got to pull it straight down this way. Like I said, you may bend a couple of clips on the way through, so put this under there and just pull down. Then you can put that under there, just turn it sideways. It will come down. Same around here. And there you go. And you'll probably find some will go flying in the meantime. I've got a back one there that's a bit stiffer. That's what the clips look like, and that's what they look like after they're bent. So at least you've got to straighten it up. So let me get this back one off again. Like that. That's it. There you go. This is what a good clip looks like. It's symmetrical both sides. This is a bad one. It's been bent and flipped over the top like that. What we usually do is do that, and we can straighten them out. Well, I'll straighten them out later so they look like this. Okay, so what we're going to do is remove 4 bolts. Now the unit will not fall out because there's a couple of black plastic clips that hold it in as well. I'll show you what to do with those when you finish. I'll get these out first. As I said before, will not fall out. Now next thing to do is there's 2 connectors up here. Just push in like this and pull. Same for the blue one, push in and pull. Now we're introducing pliers onto this job because to squeeze these 2 plastic clips in, you need to do it both at the same time. Just hold it there, push, and it'll fall out. Same on this side, squeeze the 2 together, and it'll fall. It'll come down, and basically what happens is it can pivot like that, but you can just pull it straight up like that. Alright, that's now ready to be sent off to Supertech Electronics for repair.